Happy Friday WRCC fans, and we've got another new arrival. It's the second video of the week, the third car we've advertised, so we're on a bit of a roll. This time it is a 1968, so that's a G-Reg Traveller in Trafalgar blue. Excellent condition, as you can see. It's got lovely paintwork. Again, as we always say, it's not perfect, but it is in really good order. No bubbling at the bottom of the doors, as you can see, or on the wings, or any of the usual problematic areas. Ash frame's all really good. In fact, the ash frame is as new, so that's one less thing to worry about. The paint's really good, so you don't have to worry about that. It's had some reconditioned tyres, reconditioned wheels fitted. It's had new back wings fitted. No bubbling at the bottom of the doors there. If you have a look, the front wings are all new as well. So it's an older restoration. Obviously it's been fully restored. New wings, new paint, underside's really good. New ash frame. The interior is really good as well, but we'll get round to that in a second. Chrome's all good. All the trims, runners in the ash frame are all good. All the rubbers and whatnot are all good as well. As you can see, seat covers are really nice and clean. No rips, tears, mucky, horrible marks, discoloration or anything. The trims are all good. Headlining is in really good order, as you can see. Interior light's not broken, so no rips or tears on the headlining. Dashboard's all nice and clean. It's had new carpets fitted at some point in the not so distant past. Same again. Rear cards and seat covers are all good. It's had rear inertia seat belts and it's got front inertia seat belts. You've got your temperature gauge there, so you can keep an eye on what's going on in the engine bay. Showing 83,000 miles. It's got 7 previous keepers, which is pretty good for a car of its age. Glove box liners are all good. Runs, drives and starts really well. It's been upgraded, so it's got servo assisted disc brakes, so that's a nice touch as well. Oh, go back round and open the bonnet quickly. So servo assisted disc brakes, as you can hear, it runs really nicely, drives really nicely. Yeah, it's got alternator on it, so alternator upgraded for improved charging. It's got servo disc brakes on as well, so it stops really nicely. You've got your remote reservoir. The engine bay is nice and clean, so in all the problem areas where they usually are, the tyre plates, bulkhead and everything, there's no rust or rot there either. So it's nice and clean and tidy. Go back round again and then open the back. So as I said, the wood set's really good, paint's really good. It's had 4 new wings fitted. The underside will be strip checked and repaired. It has got the heated rear screen in, or the heated rear windows, not screen, because obviously you've got 2. So heated rear windows. See, as I said before, headline is good. The rear of the door's all good, the door aperture's all nice and clean. It is a really nice, tidy car. Some new boot liner fitted in her. So tried to keep the price of this one as affordable as possible for the quality of the car. So it's on at 15,450. So that's 15,450. Comes with 3-month warranty, 12 months MOT and fully serviced before it comes out. WRCC Yorkshire Minor Centre. Give us a call if you want further details on 01422 881221. So that's 01422 881221. Further details of this car is going to be followed at www.westridingclassics.co.uk, or you can send us an email at inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk. But if you are after a Traveller, maybe you don't like Trafalgar blue, just give us a call anyway, because we've got some more stock coming in. I.e. we've got the teal blue one there, which we're just refurbishing. We've got a almond green one, which I'll be getting advertised next week as well. So further details of any cars, give us a tinkle. But this one should be on the website. Thanks guys.